Here's Aaron eating his mango pieces. They're sort of slippery and hard to pick up, but he's trying. Oh, there's one in his hand. Got it in his mouth, but oh no, it missed. Oh, it's in his hand. It's in his fingers. So hard to get them in your mouth, though, isn't it? There you go. What a good job chewing those mangoes. What a good job. I think he's mesmerized by Daddy making funny faces behind him in the kitchen. He's supposed to be looking at the camera. Are those yummy mangoes? So those are so yummy, and I'm such a big boy. I'm 8.5 months, and I love to eat my mangoes. Yeah. Are they good, Aaron? Are they good? No comment.